Hello friends. Nagaland job vacancy Olaishe. Nagaland Ecological and Sanitation Management Society. Applications are invited for 2 posts of Junior Assistant Engineer and 1 post of Driver at Office of the Nagaland Ecological and Sanitation Management Society. Kohima, Nagaland. Name of the post, Junior Assistant Engineer. Number of vacancies, 2. Salary, Rs 28,000 per month fixed with TA and allowances. Location, Kohima. Eligibility, B.Tech in Civil Engineering with Certificate in AutoCAD, ETAB STADPro, SketchUp Revit. Name of the post, Driver. Number of vacancies, 1. Salary Rs 12,000 fixed. Location, Kohima. Eligibility criteria. Valid driving license RO Camp Wala 4 to 5 years driving experience heavy motor vehicle. Interested candidates can resume submit Kurebo through email. Email essay, nesmstuli@gmail.com on or before January 31, 2025. Shortlisted candidates can interview Dima Debo. Applications are invited for the post of Computer Instructor cum Office Assistant. Qualification, BA Graduate with DCA. Lab Technician Teacher. Qualification, BSc MLT. Interested candidates can application logo required documents submit Kurebo. Northeast Institute of Healthcare. Near El Shaddai School Duncan Basti Dimapur. CV send Kurebo A to number 98630148855. Teachers required. English. Minimum qualification, English Honors. Computer. Minimum qualification, graduate with DOA. A level or graduate with PGDCA. Hindi. Minimum qualification, graduate in Hindi. Resume send Kurebo through email na Hoily B WhatsApp. Email essay, gcmsdimapur@gmail.com. WhatsApp number essay, 93661341181. Salary to negotiate Kurebo. Preference Debo trained RO experienced candidates con. Interested candidates can apply Guri Lobby.